Hello viewers, have a good day. Welcome to another tutorial. Today's tutorial will learn how to importing GeoTIFF file in QGIS. As we know, any kind of remote sensing data, that is raster data, which basically we are downloading from the Landsat USGS, are basically content it is in a TIFF file. So in this video we'll learn how to importing GeoTIFF file in QGIS. It is very simple technique or process. By using this way we can easily import any TIFF file in QGIS. This is a very simple way. So this is a QGIS software, so we can go layer and then you can see here add layer. Okay, within this add layer there's a number of option is there. You just see the second option is add raster layer. Okay, because the title of this video is importing TIFF file, and you should know TIFF file it is itself a raster layer. So we should select here add raster layer. So after clicking this add raster layer, new window will appear. So now you can see raster database. Okay, and you can see three dots. So click here this three dot and you will search your the folder location here you have. So I have the data in my this RS and GIS, and I have lots of data here. Okay, and to go data, so then go data. So you can see the number of Landsat 8 satellite image you can see. So how you know if this is Landsat satellite image? This is very simple. LC08, that means Landsat 8. If you see that LC09, that is Landsat 9, and I have also Landsat 7 LE0. Okay, then LT05. Okay, so these are the variant of Landsat satellite image. 05 means Landsat 5 satellite image, then Landsat 7 satellite image, then Landsat 8 and Landsat 9. Okay, so and to show you Landsat 9 satellite image, just double click here. So here I am to mention you that when you downloading any satellite image from USGS, you actually download that Landsat satellite image in a .tar or .dif file. Okay, so you have to extract your this data. When you download it, this kind of interface will come. So this is a tar file, so you should extract this tar file into the TIFF file. So for that I want to show you how to do this. Just click here, right click. Okay, and you can see here extract to this. Okay, when you click here, then it will take few time to convert into the tar file to the TIFF file. Okay, so now after that you just click. I want to show you Landsat satellite 9 satellite image, so I want to double click here. Okay, so I want to click it here and to go with this. So if I extend this, you can see here this is B1, band 1, band 2, band 3, band 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We know that key Landsat 9 satellite images total 11 band. Okay, so I want to select here band 1, then band 2. How to select this all in a same? So just click here, then click on or just press your shift, then click 2, then click 3. Okay, this way, or you just click 1, then click on your control button from your keyboard, then click 2, 3, then 4, 5 and 6. Okay, you can click on 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 also, but this is not necessary to select all this the band in a same time, because we have some purpose to use of individual the band. So for this purpose I want to select only band 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so after selecting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, just click on open, then click here add, and you can click close. Okay, now in the layer panel you can see band 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, but all this, if I uncheck this, then you can see band 4. If I uncheck this, then I can see band 3. if I uncheck this band 2 and band 1. Okay, so band 1 is the cloud, then band 2 is blue, band 3 is green, then band 4 is a red, and band 5 is a near infrared. Okay, so these are the 5 band. Now to show the different I can also want to show another thing. Just click here and go to the properties. So if I go to properties, then I can see these are the TIFF file that I have open here. So if I go to the source, okay, we can see here the projection system, another thing. And if I go to information, you can see here our file type is GTIFF. Okay, GeoTIFF file. Okay, then cancel. Now if I want to show this satellite image into false color composition or multiple MCSS, multiple false color composition, then we need to do some activity. So for that, go to raster and then go to analysis. Okay, go to miscellaneous, then click on this build virtual raster. Okay, you can go merge or you can go to build virtual raster. If I click here, then a new window will appear. Now you can see here the input layer. Just click on this 3 dot and select the all. Click here, so all are selected, then click on OK. Okay, input 5 layer, then resolution as well. Now you should select this, place each input file into a separate band. You should check this, otherwise your data will be distorted. Then nothing do here, you can directly go no data value, you can give 0. Okay, you can give 0, it is good for you. Then virtual shape, just click here, then save to, there is a two-way, save to temporary file or save to file. So you should go to save to file, and you should go the exact location I want to save it. So now I want to write here FCC, like that. Okay, then click save. Process is going on, and I think process already completed. Then close it. Now you can see there is another band appear. This is FCC band. If I uncheck all of this, okay, you can see here this is look like some colored in form. Okay, so now I want to see and to show something. Go to properties. Okay, go to Symbology. Now you can say from this band rendering, okay, Symbology, you can see here the multi-band color, unique value, then different other the option is there. So you should select multi-band. Now the thing is that if you want to do the false color composition, okay, standard false color composition, you should know that key from the red band we should pass band 5. So red band passes through the near infrared band passes through the red band, and the red band will passes to the green band, and the green band will passes to the blue band. Okay, so just select these 3 and click on apply. Okay, then click on OK. Now this is, if after that if I click here zoom to layer, now you can see the exact picture of this area. Okay, so what is this? If I zoom it, you can see that this red portion, actually these all are the vegetation cover. You know that in false color composition, red color showing the vegetation cover, whereas this the sky color showing the river body, okay, or channel. So this is a the you can say the process by which we can do any kind of raster analysis, or we can open any GeoTIFF file into the QGIS. So thank you for watching, and keep subscribe my channel for more video and more